Hello everyone, in today's tutorial we're going to crochet these cute tiny flowers perfect for decorating clips, bags, cloths or any handmade project. Let's get started. First we begin by making a magic ring. To create a magic ring, wrap the yarn around your fingers to form a loop. Then insert your hook under the loop, grab the working yarn and pull it through to create a loop on your hook. Twist it clockwise. Now chain 1 to secure the ring. And this is our magic ring, where we will create all the petals. Next, we are going to make chain 2, yarn over and pull through the loop on our hook. Again yarn over and pull through the loop on our hook. Now we are going to continue our stitch. The stitch we are going to use, which is double crochet. Now yarn over, insert your hook into the magic ring, pull a loop, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, then yarn over again and pull through the remaining 2 loops. This completes 1 double crochet. Now work 1 more double crochet into the magic ring, yarn over, insert your hook into the magic ring, pull a loop, yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops, then yarn over again and pull through the remaining 2 loops. Now we complete 2 double crochet. Next, chain 2 again, yarn over, pull through the loop on our hook, yarn over, pull through the loop on our hook. Now insert your hook back to the magic ring and make a slip stitch to join. Our first flower petal is complete. To make a flower, we need 5 petals, so we'll repeat the same steps. Again chain 2 for height. Make 2 double crochet into the magic ring. Chain 2, and slip stitch into the magic ring to form a petal. Repeat the process until you have 5 petals in total. Finally, make a slip stitch to secure. Cut the yarn. Once all petals are finished, gently pull the yarn tail to close the magic ring tightly and hide it at the back. And your tiny crochet flower is ready. You can now attach it to any project you like. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with your crochet friend and subscribe for more beginner friendly crochet tutorial. See you in the next video.